morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 15. So only 10 days to Christmas and 5 days until my 8th grandchild is due. So my daughter-in-law, who's already got one, she was 5 days late last time, so she's 5 days late again. That'll be Christmas Day, so yeah, so that'll be exciting, won't it? But let's hope she comes early and she'll be home. My daughter-in-law will be home with the baby by Christmas. That would be lovely. Okay, so it is day 15 of the Crochet Society calendar, and this is what I got up to last night if you watched yesterday's video, and you can see it's a nice scalloped edge. So I'm thinking, I might be wrong, that this might be the edge of the blanket and we'll start working from the other end, but we shall see. They did say to keep the thread on, so I don't know if that's so that you can continue with an edge round there or if we're going to do some more, so we will find out. But let's have a look and see what's in drawer 15. Right, let's find drawer 15 here, and it opens nicely, so that's good. Wow, that is a lovely pink. Look at that, that's gorgeous. Ooh, interesting. And what have we got in the, we've got another little packet, and let's see what's in here, the little gift. Oh, aren't they lovely, the little labels? Crochet Society. So you've got 3 little labels or tags, so I can actually put it on the blanket when I'm finished. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Oh, that's great. Okay, and while I remember, my pucker tea this morning, I can get this back in. Where is it going to go back in? I couldn't get the other one out today, and now I can't get this one back in. My pucker tea today is lemongrass and ginger. So, and it's very nice. So let's turn you round and have a look at the Bella Coco website and see what we're doing today. Right, well, I've looked on the website, and what they're telling you to do is, I printed it off, they're telling you to repeat days 5 to 13, I think it is. Yeah, so you're repeating days 5 to 13, and that will take you up to the 23rd. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back and do day 5. So this, I was right, this is the end. This is one end. And now I've got to do exactly the same as that on this side. And then that'll be, and then I think probably day 24 will be telling you just to do the border all the way round. So yeah, so that is half the blanket. And now I've got to do the other half down this side. So today I'll be working on this lovely, what was it called? Go Grapes colour, and that is going to be down there, and it is going to be done the same as this one here. So yeah, so that's what I'll be doing today. So hopefully I'll come back about 6 o'clock and show you it all done. The other thing I did when I was printing off that pattern is I printed off some other patterns I've seen in the magazine. I printed off this, which is an embroidery, which I thought was really pretty. Yes, I printed off that, and it has got the a template that you can copy, and that was out of magazine. I don't know what magazine it was. Does it say? No, it doesn't say, but it's one of the magazines on Readily that I subscribe to. And the other one I printed off was these little Nautic gnomes, and they're made out of felt and fabric, and I thought that was good for using fat quarters, and that again has given you some templates. And Claire, who makes things, will like this. I found this in one of the magazines, so maybe next year I'll make myself a Christmas pudding to go on a chocolate orange. But yes, so I printed those off, so that's good, and I'm going to try and do some red work because I want to get that done as well. So hopefully I'll see you about 6 o'clock. Right, I'm back. It's 7:30. I haven't got a lot done today. I suppose because I fancied a change from the crocheting, so I started doing some more on the candle mat, which I'll show you in a minute. But this is what I've done so far. So I've literally just done the first row. But as you see, what we are doing, we're repeating this row here that is pink. So as you can see, I've started on the purple there, and I will finish it tonight. It's just I haven't done it this afternoon. So that will be, and we're building up the other side now. So so this is sort of like the middle of the blanket. So yes, so quite an easy stitch. I'll whiz through it tonight, but I just fancy something different this afternoon. I really wanted to do my candle mat, and I'll show you how far I've got. I just don't want to lose the thread, so I'll pin that in there. Right, so I've done a quarter of it, so I'm well pleased with it. So there we are. So if you can see, so yeah, the lovely little Christmas trees and the gingerbread house, and yes, loving it. And I think there's a little mouse by the tree there, and snow on the roof of the gingerbread house. So that's really pretty, and I really enjoy doing it. It's very relaxing. So I've done a quarter of that now, so hopefully I'll get it done in time for Christmas. I really want to get it done and get it on the coffee table in time for Christmas. So yes, so tonight I'm going to carry on doing the Crochet Society blanket, get that today's task done, and I'll see you tomorrow. So bye for now.